Minister Aurangzeb, I do want to come to you. I read a headline that said that the floods have battered farmers, and you spoke about that, factories, and your fiscal plans. So I wonder how you're looking at, while you talk about the proof of concept, how you're looking at getting the money in and reallocating resources to fixing the problem that the agricultural sector is facing, because climate shocks, with the passage of time, will get more severe and more frequent.
Yeah, so I think the climate change and agriculture, quite frankly, go hand in hand. And this time around, of course, major damage has taken place, especially to our rice crop. So what we have to do is to move towards more adaptation and really bring a real sense of urgency in our journey. And I would want to bring, World Bank Group into it because earlier this year we signed a 10-year country partnership framework. And 1/3 of that agenda is to do with climate resilience and decarbonization. Yeah. So quite frankly, we have the funding and financing available. We now just need to show that we deploy it in a way that we can, because as you rightly point out, sitting now we know and we understand that the monsoons are going to arrive in Pakistan 2 weeks earlier. So the frequency and intensity of what we are seeing is happening, and we just need to bring in, more sense of urgency.
But so we're in 2025. Should farmers still be relying so much on monsoon predictions and praying to the rain gods?
Listen, things cannot change overnight, right? And for us, any transformation. We talked about technology, but any transformation is people, process, and technology. So we are now also focusing on our graduates, right? Because the reality is the research that has happened in Pakistan agriculture research is not really up to par. Yeah. So we are now sending them across, especially with our Chinese partners. There are about 1,000 young graduates as we speak who are in various agriculture universities in China who are going to come back and bring back some of that knowledge that we just talked about in terms of success transfer. But climate is a big issue, and we need to, as I said, really sharpen our act and get going with some of the adaptation that we need.